If you're looking for a unique and surprisingly powerful addition to your home workout routine, the Vibration Plate exercise machine for lymphatic drainage and weight loss might be the game changer you didn't know you needed. This machine isn't just another gadget collecting dust in the corner, it's a genuinely effective tool for improving circulation, enhancing lymphatic drainage, burning fat, and even helping with joint pain and stiffness. With a compact design, intuitive controls, and wide-ranging functionality, this machine proves that getting fit doesn't have to involve hours of cardio or trips to the gym. From the moment you step onto the Vibration Plate, you can feel its energy. Unlike traditional workout machines that rely solely on user effort, this device stimulates muscle contractions through high-frequency vibrations. These rapid pulses travel through your legs, core, and even into your upper body if you're using the included resistance bands. And it's not just hype, the science behind vibration training supports its use for increased muscle engagement, improved circulation, and even faster fat burning. Many users have noted feeling more toned and energized after just a few weeks of consistent use. The machine offers a wide array of features, all tailored to create a full-body experience. There are 120 vibration speed levels, allowing you to start slow and work your way up as your body adapts. Whether you're looking to relax your muscles after a tough day or ramp up the intensity for a heart-pumping workout, the plate adapts to your needs. You can toggle between manual and automatic modes, depending on whether you want more control or just a set it and forget it experience. And it even comes with resistance bands and exercise bands, which help diversify your workouts and add upper body targeting to an otherwise lower body focus machine. A standout benefit that sets this Vibration Plate apart is its application for lymphatic drainage. While that might not be the first thing you think of when buying exercise equipment, it's become increasingly important for people who live sedentary lifestyles, deal with water retention, or suffer from inflammation. Many customers have reported a noticeable improvement in swelling, especially in the legs and ankles, after regular use. One user even shared that after years of puffy ankles due to a desk job, the Vibration Plate helped completely alleviate the problem by promoting better circulation and reducing fluid buildup. The compact, sleek design also earns major points. At just a few inches tall and small enough to slide under a bed or tuck behind a couch, it's perfect for those with limited space. Whether you're working from home, living in a studio apartment, or just trying to keep your workout gear discreet, this machine won't be in your way. It's lightweight enough to move around, yet the non-slip suction cups on the bottom ensure it stays put during use, no shifting or sliding across hardwood floors. The impact-resistant ABS housing and 400 pounds weight capacity offer confidence that it can handle serious, long-term use across a variety of body types. Ease of use is another area where this Vibration Plate shines. You can control the machine either via the LED touchscreen or with a handy remote, making it super convenient during your workouts. The screen displays both time and speed, so you can monitor your session without missing a beat. For beginners, the learning curve is almost non-existent. One reviewer, who had never used anything like it before, appreciated being able to start slowly at the lowest setting and gradually get used to the unique sensation of the vibrations. Another big plus is how quiet the machine runs. While some fitness gear can sound like a freight train rolling through your living room, this machine hums along with a gentle buzz that won't disturb anyone else in your household. That's a huge bonus for people living in apartments or shared spaces. It means you can get your workout done early in the morning or late at night without worrying about waking anyone up or having your neighbors knock on the wall. Real-world testimonials reflect just how versatile and beneficial this Vibration Plate really is. One user in their 50s mentioned how it improved circulation and reduced arthritis pain in their hips, a common issue for many older adults or those with physically demanding jobs. Another user, weighing in at 280 pounds, praised the sturdiness of the platform and its noticeable effect on water retention and skin tone. Yet another family mentioned how everyone from age 19 to 55 uses it regularly and sees value in it not only for toning but also for reducing daily aches and pains. Of course, no product is perfect, and a few users mentioned a couple of small drawbacks. For instance, Some people found the raised pressure point balls on the footbed uncomfortable after prolonged use, especially when standing barefoot. A simple workaround is to wear sneakers or cushion socks during your workout. Others wished for a setting lower than the current minimum, especially when just starting out. If you're highly sensitive to vibration or new to this form of training, beginning at even the lowest setting might feel intense, but most users reported adjusting to the sensation within a few sessions. Another common comment is the lack of Wi-Fi or app connectivity, which might be a letdown for those who prefer smart integration with their fitness trackers. However, given the machine's relatively low price point, currently just $81, the value it provides far outweighs the absence of such features. Most users agreed that it's a great standalone machine that does its job well, with or without the bells and whistles.